So for number 1 on the first page, we're just determining the slope of each line below. So the slope of this line, I'm going to start here and count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my rise is 6 and my run is 1, 2. So the slope of this line would be 6 over 2. Same thing here, I'm going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because I'm just trying to get to this point. So up 5 and over 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slope of this line is 5 over 4. However, you'll notice the difference. This one is 6 over 2 and this one is 5 over 4. I can reduce this one. And this one can be reduced to 3 over 1 because I say 6 divided by 2 is 3 and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we reduce. This one cannot be reduced, so that one's good. We come down here, we're just graphing the lines containing the point below. So we're just graphing this. We start at our origin and we say -4 and +2. And then we say 2, so we're going over to the right 2 and down 3. So here's our line, and let's see if I can draw a straight one. So this M denotes that I need to figure out my slope. So I know it's a negative slope because it's going down to the right. So I'm going to put that there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So down 5 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my slope is -5 over 6. And you'll do the same for these two. Alright, the back of the first page. We're determining slope. So the formula for slope is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And I say y sub 2 and y sub 1 and same thing for x because when I draw it, this is going to be my x sub 1, my y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So I set it up to solve. So 7 minus 0 and 5 minus 4, which gives me 7 over 1. So this is now my slope. Okay? Don't worry about number 11, but you can do that with the other 3. Don't do this section. Alright, now this part on the back, on the third page, or second page, if you will. These are our x's, and all we're doing is taking our x's and plugging it in to our equation to solve for our y. So we're taking this, we're plugging it in for our x, and we're going to get our y. So this is our input, and this is our output. So if we have y equals -0 over 3 plus 2, and I plug that in, I'm going to get, and you can do this on your computer. Just go to the search bar and type in Casio, and this calculator should pop up. So -0 over 3, and to get that, we're going to type 0 ABC 3 plus 2 gives us 2. So we're going to put 2 there, and our new ordered pair is going to be 0, 2. Okay? Same thing for this part, or for the next one. Y equals negative 3 in parentheses over 2 plus 2. Plugging it into the calculator. Oops. Negative, close parentheses, 3 over 2 plus 2, and we get 0.5. Actually, cancel that one. Negative 3 over 2 plus 2. And I get 1/2, which is the same thing. So our new ordered pair is 0, 1/2. Okay, 1/2, 0, 1/2. So I'm plugging in negative 3. Y equals, if I have a negative 3, what happens to these two negatives? They cancel out. So then it becomes positive 3 over 2 plus 2. 3 ABC 2, close parentheses, plus 2, and I get 7 over 2. Don't worry about graphing these because I don't want you to stress out over the fractions, okay? So then for this one here, you're doing the same thing. You're just taking your x and your y and plugging it in, or I'm sorry, taking your x and plugging it in. To this equation, and the x's I'm going to give you is always going to be 0, 1, 2, okay? Here, 0, 1, 2. So for this one, all you're doing is saying negative 0 plus 3y equals 9 and solving for y. So plug this into your calculator and solve for y. So if we did this, can cancel out, so we're left with 3y equals 9. Divide by 3, divide by 3, y equals 3. So our new ordered pair would be 0, 3. Okay? Same thing there. And then I will take the next section in a new video.